Hello everyone! In this video, we'll show you how to install an SSL certificate on pfSense. First, generate a CSR, or certificate signing request, and a private key using the SSL Dragon CSR generator tool. Provide all the required details as shown in the video. Next, copy the generated CSR code and private key into .csr and .key files respectively, and share them with SSL Dragon. SSL Dragon will then issue a CRT, or certificate, for your domain. Open your browser, enter the IP address of your pfSense firewall, and log in with your username and password to access the pfSense dashboard. For the default setup, click Next through the initial configuration screens. After completing the initial setup, click on the System tab at the top of the dashboard, then select Cert Manager. You will see the default pfSense certificate listed there. Click on the Add button, select Import an existing certificate as the method, and give the certificate a descriptive name. In the Import Certificate section, upload the CRT file provided by SSL Dragon and the private key in their respective fields, then click Save. Go back to the System tab, select Advanced, and navigate to the Admin Access tab. Here, select the HTTPS protocol for the Web GUI protocol option and choose the newly added certificate under SSL/TLS certificate. Keep all other settings as default and click Save. Now, access your pfSense dashboard using the URL in your browser. You can view the certificate details by clicking on the padlock icon in the address bar, as shown in the video. Thank you for watching this tutorial. You've successfully installed an SSL certificate on pfSense. For more tips and tricks, subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to use the promo code YouTube10 at SSL Dragon for a 10% discount on your SSL certificate purchase.